All right, guys. Second job of the day, December the 20th. This is another repeat client, Mrs. Wright. Show you guys what we're going to be doing. Furman is on the vacuum cleaner. Look at all that. Oh. Let me move this out your way, Furman. And so Furman, remember, well, it really doesn't matter because we're going to do the tile first. But I always remember, start at the furthest back, no matter what product you do, no matter what process you do. If it's vacuuming, cleaning, always start at the furthest point and wake yourself back. All right? So guys, what we're going to be doing, we have a total of 5 areas of a carpet and 2 areas of tile and grout cleaning, and exactly what I cleaned last time I was here. Actually, the tile and grout looks very good compared to last time. So it was this foyer right here. Going to be doing that. This room, the stairs. This is going to be doing the stairs, nothing upstairs, and then also the living room, dining room combo. So right now we're just prepping for this job, getting everything set up, and then we'll probably come back and show you guys some cleaning results. So yeah, stay tuned. There's a stain right there, so and right here. Oh yeah, you can see the difference?
Oh yeah.
There you go. All right, guys, we've already done the tile and grout. Now we got Furman. He's doing the carpets. Oh yeah, carpets are looking great. Oh yeah. And you guys seen earlier how good the kitchen tile and grout was coming. Now what we're going to do after we're done cleaning and wrapping up, we're going to get our microfiber mop and go over this tile and grout and both of them one more time with a neutral cleaner, because the reason why, some of the pre-treatment got on our shoes, and when we step on the tile and grout, that residue gets on the tile and grout. So we're going to basically just wipe it with a microfiber towel so it can neutralize the solution that we put back on the tile and grout. You can see our footprints a little bit, but sometimes you just can't help it. But that's, I mean, it'll just wipe right up with a neutral cleaner. But it looks great. Carpets are looking good. Already done with the stairs. Let me get out of Furman's way. You go all the way in there, Furman. Huh? Just go all the way in there. He's doing very, very good. You can see how clean the carpets are coming. Right there. So just got to finish this right here. And then here going out. And then we got one more repeat client today, Mrs. Wise. So after here at Mrs. Wright, we'll be headed to Mrs. Wise, but we're gonna go grab some lunch first after this job, and then we'll get to Miss Wise between 4 and 5 in Duluth. So our first two jobs today were in Lawrenceville. Next job is in Duluth, and then tomorrow we got 2. Kevin got 2, and yeah, so and then next thing you know, one more week until 2020. Well, I say 1.5. And those strokes are beautiful.
No more triangles.
No more triangles. I like that. You see how you're able to shift it over without picking the wand up and keep it? That's good. That's very impressive. Come on this side. Don't forget that little piece right there. See that? Perfect. And let's extract right here one more time.
Right in here.
Put it in here. There you go. There you go. Alright guys, we're going to be done here in about 5 more minutes. Start wrapping up. Go get some lunch. Head to our third job. This is our second job. 3 jobs today. All repeat customers. Actually, today we had 5. Kevin had 2. And all 5 jobs today were all repeat clients. So thank you guys again for using Trainee steamers. Also, thank you guys for watching. Furman is doing amazing. And he'll be with me tomorrow for 2 jobs. And be heading back to Washington on Sunday. Alright guys, see you in the next one.